Ever found that perfect product on your AliExpress dropshipping store, the one you just know will be a hit in Nigeria, only to be haunted by the big, looming question: how long will it actually take to get there? If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Let's be honest, the excitement of a new order can quickly turn into anxiety when you're dealing with international shipping, especially to a vibrant and dynamic market like Nigeria. Your customers are eager, and long shipping times can lead to frustration, lost sales, and even damage your brand reputation before it's even fully established. So, you've set up your Oberlo store, you're sourcing fantastic products, and Nigeria is a key market you want to tap into. Excellent choice. Nigeria boasts a massive and increasingly online-savvy population with a growing appetite for international goods. The potential is huge. But navigating the world of shipping times from AliExpress suppliers to your Nigerian customers requires a strategic approach and a realistic understanding of the factors involved. Now, there's no magic number I can give you. Saying shipping to Nigeria with Oberlo takes exactly X days would be misleading at best. The reality is, shipping times are influenced by a whole host of variables. Understanding these variables is the first crucial step in managing expectations and providing your customers with accurate, or at least, the most accurate possible information. Let's break down some of the key players in this shipping time equation. First and foremost, the shipping method chosen by your supplier on AliExpress, and ultimately by you in your Oberlo settings, is a major determinant. You'll typically see a range of options from the super budget-friendly and often slowest, untracked economy shipping to faster, but more expensive, options like AliExpress standard shipping, e-packet when available, and even potentially DHL or other courier services. Economy shipping can sometimes take anywhere from 30 to 60 days, or even longer in some cases, to reach Nigeria. While tempting due to its low cost, this can be a recipe for impatient customers. On the other hand, AliExpress standard shipping and e-packet generally offer more reasonable timelines, often ranging from 15 to 35 days. Courier services like DHL can be significantly faster, sometimes delivering within a week, but come with a much higher shipping cost that might eat into your profit margins or be prohibitive for your customers. Secondly, processing times on the supplier's end are often overlooked but can add significant delays. Before your order even begins its journey to Nigeria, the supplier needs time to receive the order, process it, package the product, and hand it over to the shipping carrier. This can vary from a day or two to a week or even longer, depending on the supplier's efficiency and the product's availability. Next, we have the logistics and infrastructure involved in international shipping. Once the package leaves the supplier, it goes through a complex network of sorting facilities, customs clearance in both the origin country and Nigeria, and transportation across continents. Delays can occur at any point in this chain due to factors like flight availability, backlog at sorting centers, and the sheer distance involved. And speaking of customs clearance in Nigeria, this is a crucial stage that can significantly impact shipping times. Nigerian customs plays a vital role in inspecting and clearing all incoming goods. The efficiency of this process can fluctuate depending on various factors, including the volume of shipments, staffing levels, and the specific regulations in place. While some packages might breeze through, others can be held up for several days or even weeks for inspection, documentation checks, or the assessment of duties and taxes. Finally, local delivery within Nigeria adds another layer to the timeline. Once the package clears customs, it's handed over to local postal services or courier companies for final delivery to your customer's address. The efficiency of this last-mile delivery can vary depending on the location within Nigeria and the infrastructure in place. Major cities often see faster delivery times compared to more remote areas. So, what can you, as a dropshipper using Oberlo, do to navigate these complexities and manage your customers' expectations? Transparency is key. Be upfront with your customers about potential shipping times. Don't promise unrealistic delivery dates. Instead, provide a realistic estimate based on the shipping method they choose and the typical timelines you've observed. Consider adding a disclaimer on your product pages and during checkout that international shipping can be subject to delays beyond your control. Communicate proactively. If you notice a significant delay with an order, reach out to your customer to inform them and provide any available updates. This simple act of communication can go a long way in building trust and managing frustration. Offer multiple shipping options. Where feasible, provide your customers with a choice of shipping methods, including faster, albeit potentially more expensive, options. This empowers them to make a decision based on their urgency and budget. Track your shipments diligently. Utilize tracking information to monitor the progress of your orders and identify any potential issues early on. Share tracking updates with your customers so they can follow their package's journey. Consider using reliable suppliers with a proven track record of efficient shipping to Nigeria. Over time, you'll likely identify suppliers who consistently process and ship orders more quickly. Educate yourself on Nigerian customs regulations and potential import duties. While you're not directly responsible for these, understanding the process can help you anticipate potential delays and inform your customers accordingly. Explore the possibility of using fulfillment centers if your business scales significantly. While this is a more advanced strategy, having inventory closer to your target market can drastically reduce shipping times. Remember, patience is a virtue in the world of international shipping. While you can't control every aspect of the journey, by understanding the factors involved, being transparent with your customers, and choosing reliable suppliers and shipping methods, you can significantly improve the shipping experience for your Nigerian customers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.